I wasted my whole year as a trader. And here's why. If you're a break-even trader or you are still unprofitable, this video is going to change your mindset and prepare you for what's coming next in 2025, because I made a lot of mistakes this 2024 and I'm just sharing my experience with you guys so you don't make the same mistake in 2025. This year I made a lot of achievements. I was able to grow account, I was able to trade consistently, I was able to do some other things constantly, but I don't really have results to show for it. And here's why. This year alone, I had 5 prop firm. I lost 4 of my prop firm account. I lost 4 challenges and I actually got funded the last one. But the thing is that I never got a payout from that funded account. And that comes down to my mindset. I don't think I was ready to embrace that stage of my trading at that moment. I had the funded account, but I didn't have the mindset of a funded trader. I was more like, let me just make 10%, let me just make 5%, and I'll request my payout and I'll go. But that was not how things work. Instead, I went down into a downward spiral and ended up losing my account. But losing that account was, I can say, is the best thing that happened to me this 2024, because from that moment on, I promised myself that I was going to be the best version of myself when it comes to trading. I lost that account in the month of September, and from September till today, 26th of December, I know that I have improved drastically as a trader. And that's after I tweaked and retouched some of my approach into the market, like the way I think or the way I approach the market. Because normally I always have that mindset that I don't want to lose this account, I don't want to blow this account, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that. I want to be very, very careful, and that just keep on putting me in that downward spiral whereby I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just not disciplined. I'm not just in the right state of mind. I'm always making mistakes. But after I lost that funded account, that was when my mind came together and I was like, so I finally lost this account, and yeah, that's when I started thinking straight, and that's when I promised myself that I won't allow all this stuff to get into my head. So guys, that's just how my 2024 is. I improve as a trader, but like I don't have anything to show for it. Like I don't have any payout, I don't have all those fancy stuff. I didn't make withdrawals like from my trading. But all I know is that I improved. But towards the end of the year, I was able to start trading properly, start following my rules. I was able to also start putting myself in the right state of mind, start observing what's happening around, start going in depth into my trades and start analyzing them properly, start journaling them properly, start trying to know what's going to happen or what's happening in the market at any given time. And that helped me improve my trading drastically. So this is the end of the year, but we're entering a new year, and this is a new year to chase our dreams, a new year to continue the grind. So all I'm just saying is that this 2025 is going to be a very, very great year for me. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like as if everyone should have a goal by now on what they want to achieve in 2025. So guys, I'm also trying to start a challenge whereby I'm going to get funded with you guys. We're going to be trading every week, at least every week, get a payout, and let's prove that it is possible as a community. So guys, if you're interested in this kind of stuff, join the community, join the channel, subscribe to the channel, and let's do this together. So yeah guys, that's my story for 2024. I improved as a trader, but like I didn't really have anything to show for it. All I know is that I have that change in mindset, which is actually helping me now. It's actually helping me And now I'm actually more focused on what I can control. Things I can control, like my risk. I can't control what the market is going to give me. I can't control if I'm going to lose an account. I can't control if I'm going to lose the next trade or the next two trades. All I can control is my risk management and my psychology. So that's the main goal for 2025. Control our risk management, psychology, and putting ourselves in the right state of mind to achieve our goals. So, guys, that's my story for 2024, and see you by this time next year, where I'll be showing you the achievement I've achieved, multiple payouts, multiple certificates, and the multiple achievements for my 2025. See you guys by this time 2025. Thank you.